Hey guys, welcome back. And guess what? Today we're talking about how to let go of toxic people in your life. Don't you sometimes feel like a relationship you have with someone, whether that's friendship, romantic, business, or even family, is dragging you down and making you feel terrible about yourself every time you interact with them? Well, that could happen and sometimes really hard to recognize and deal with, since that person could be very close to you. So what do? We keep dealing with their bullshit. But really, it shouldn't be like that. We should find a way to fix the relationship if it's fixable, or we completely drop them for our own well-being. But how do we go about dealing with a situation like this? Let me explain. Well, first of all, you need to recognize that they're toxic for you by not ignoring the red flags. Red flags could be very easily ignored when we have a close relationship with someone. If you're too passive with these red flags, that allows them to take advantage of you and you become their target for manipulation. So never take red flags lightly. No. Once you have recognized these red flags, it is very important and crucial to share how you feel about them with your friend, partner, or significant other. Because the earlier you talk to them about these issues, the better your chances of saving that relationship. Although sometimes it might be very difficult and tricky to do that if they're not really understanding and they repeat the same behavior pattern. Which brings me to my next point. If the behavior continues, it's best to cut off your ties with that person. If that's not possible, have less and less contact to make yourself unavailable until they get the message and leave you alone. Because your mental health is much more important than a toxic relationship. One more thing that is really important to mention here is expectations. Don't expect them to apologize. It's only gonna hurt you mentally. It's better to forgive and let go for your own sanity, rather than waiting for an apology that may never come. Either way, they didn't deserve your time in the first place, so don't sweat it. However, in the case where the person is sorry and you decide to give him a second chance, it is best to be cautious and evaluate their actions. That's very important. Evaluate their actions. Make sure their behaviors don't come back, and most importantly, set boundaries and stand by them. Don't let them walk all over you again. I know, it wasn't easy, but now that you have let go of this toxic relationship, it's time to reflect on it and learn from it. As hard as this experience might have been, it is the fuel we need to become stronger mentally and as a person. Therefore, don't take this experience as a loss, rather as an opportunity to grow as a person. Sometimes it's hard to lose a friend or someone close. I understand that. There would be still memories attached to that person, so allow yourself to be sad. Give yourself room to digest the fact that this friend is no longer in the picture. But remember not to stay there too long and come back strong. Once you get better and start to feel like yourself again, it's time to focus on yourself. Get back to your goals in life. Become healthier than ever. Work out, eat better, learn a hobby, make more money. Who doesn't like money? No matter what your goals are, focus on them and grow to become a better you. Because this channel is all about that. So, now that you know all about how to let go of toxic people, let me tell you something. Life is like nature. It's beautiful, but it could be very dangerous if you're not cautious. Everyone encounters hard situations in their lifetime. Otherwise, life would be probably really boring. But we should always remember to learn from our experiences and reflect on them. People come and go. That's the circle of life. Those who stay are a blessing, and those who leave are a lesson. And remember that. With that said, I hope today's video was insightful. If you enjoyed it, give it a like and share it to spread positivity. And subscribe to the channel if you didn't notice, so I can make more videos like this one. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Take care.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And